Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about estrous cycle and menstrual cycle. Actually, menstrual cycle occurs in human beings and apes and some type of monkeys. Okay, menstrual cycle is occurs. Actually, the menstrual cycle is occurs in what primates? Menstrual cycle is occurs in primates. Who are primates? Primates are in which organisms the brain is well developed brain, which is having well developed brain. Okay, which is having well developed brain. For example, human brain is what? Well developed brain. Okay, so monkeys and apes brain is well developed brain. So that we are primates. Okay, the menstrual cycle occurs in primates. Okay, in well developed, which is our brain is what? Complexity. It is what? Lot of foldings and complexity. Complex. That is what it is. A thinking everything. So that we are called primates. Primates mean which brain is what? Well developed primates. Okay. But in estrous cycle, the estrous cycle is occurs in non-primates. Non-primates. Try to understand the first difference between estrous cycle and menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle occurs in especially in primate, which organism's brain is well developed. But estrous cycle is occurs in which organism the brain is not developed, which is having small brain, which is not developed brain, which is do not have developed brain, not developed brain, like what? Cow, fox, dog, deer, rat, pigs. Okay, these type of animals are examples of what? Especially non-primates. Okay, the first difference, non-primates. In non-primates, estrous cycle is occurs. In primates, menstrual cycle is occurs. The word menstruation, the menstrual cycle means what? Monthly. That means every month in female body ovulation will be occurs. Ovulation. What is the meaning of ovulation? Releasing of ovum. In every month. It is occurs in periodically every month. We can call monthly. Okay. So that especially every month it is occurs. Monthly it is occurs. So that we can call, okay, especially for it is a breeders, these every month in female ovulation will be occurs. And after ovulation, the bleeding. What is the bleeding? I will explain later. Okay, the bleeding, the blood is releasing. Bleeding occurs in their body. Bleeding, blood is sending outside the body. Bleeding. Okay, that is occurs in every month in female body. Every month in primates. Examples like what? Human beings, monkeys, apes, these type of animals which are well developed brain, having well developed brain, in that every month menstrual cycle will be occurs. But which are non-primates? In non-primates, estrous cycle is occur seasonal. Seasonal means seasonal breeders. You can call what? These are seasonal breeders. Maybe yearly ones, some are yearly ones, or particular season only, not in every month, particular season only. Okay, that is a major difference of what? Estrous cycle and menstrual cycle. First of all, we have to discuss in menstrual cycle what happens in human beings or in other animals. In menstrual cycle, what happens actually? This is ovary. This part is called ovary. Ovary is the very important part of the female reproductive system. These ovaries are releasing what? Ova. When the ova is releasing, when the ovum is releasing, automatically these uterus walls, uterus is the part, these uterus walls are developed. Automatically, lot of foldings. It is well develops. Okay, the uterus walls are well developed when the After releasing the ovum, automatically what happened? The uterus walls are developing. It will be forms endometrium. Endometrium. Whatever tissue is formed, okay, to develop the embryo, to develop the zygote in this place, okay, so that the walls of the uterus all develops. That is called endometrium. What happens if fertilization is not occurs? Without fertilization is not occurs. No fertilization. And what happens in no fertilization? If fertilization is not occurs, what happens? Already endometrium is developed ready for development of embryo. But here the fertilization is not occurs. What happened? This endometrium, whatever developed endometrium, so that I write here, endometrium, which is developed endometrium, developed walls of the uterus, endometrium ruptures, that means broke down, and releasing blood outside the body. It occurs in every month, so that it is called monthly. It occurs in 28 days once. It is occurs every month. It is occurs in generally in primates. Bleeding is occurs in every month. Why? Because whatever endometrium, which is developed endometrium, the walls of the uterus which are developed endometrium ruptures, broke down, and releasing blood outside the body. Maybe depend upon hormonal secretion, 4 to 5 days, more than 4 to 5 days also. That is occurs in primates. In estrous cycle, what happened in estrous cycle? Same as it is in seasonal. These are, we can call this phase, we can call estrous phase. Estrous phase or reproductive phase or heat phase. In this phase only, whatever animals, for example, cow, whatever animal, goat, sheep, whatever animals is there, they are ready for copulation with male. Try to understand. In these primates, these animals are ready for copulation in every time. But in this time, these animals which are non-primates, only they are ready for copulation, mating with male. Only at the time of estrous phase only. We can call seasonal breeders. In that season only, they are ready to copulate with male. They are not, in other time, they are not ready to copulate with male. They are not mating with male. Only at the time of what? Estrous phase only. Try to understand the major difference that is there. And what happens? One more difference of estrous cycle. Same as it is in estrous cycle also. Here, when the ovum is releasing, after ovulation, endometrium will be develops. Here also, in female organisms, in female, endometrium develops as it is only, but after ruptures, fertilization is not occurs. In this animals also, fertilization is not occurs. If fertilization is not occurs, what happens? This endometrium ruptures as it is like menstrual. Endometrium ruptures means what? Broke down. But what happened? Again, reabsorb the blood. reabsorb the blood into the body. Blood is not sending, whatever rapturous material is not sending outside the body. Bleeding is not occurs. The major difference of estrous cycle and menstrual cycle, here the blood moves, goes outside the body. Bleeding is occurs after rupturing. After ruptures the what? Endometrium. Here, if endometrium is ruptures after without fertilization is not occurs, especially cow, buffalo, goat, sheep in this animal. What will be happen actually? If fertilization is not occurs in these animals, what happen? Again, whatever blood is reabsorbs into their body. Bleeding is not occur. Blood is not sending outside the body. It is reabsorbed. So that this is a very, very important point in estrous cycle. These are the seasonal breeders. In seasonal breeders, I will write here. Okay, so that place is on. Okay, in seasonal breeders, especially some are monoestrous. Means what? Yearly, only one time only, this cycle, estrous cycle will be occurs. Estrous cycle will be occurs. That means they are ready for mating, they are ready for copulation with male only yearly once. At the time of estrous cycle, progesterone hormone is released in female body. It is ready for copulation only once time. Monoestrous. In yearly once only, this cycle occurs in only yearly once only. Some organisms some organism estrous cycle occurs yearly one phase only, once season only, so that we can call monoestrous. Example is what? Especially for deer. Monoestrous example is what? Especially for deer. And after that one, some animals is there. Deer and fox also. Okay, and estrous cycle. That means 2. Sometimes some animal 2 years once only, not in yearly once. Okay, after 2 years, between 2 years, this cycle will be occurs in their body. Examples are what? Especially for biestrous, what? Dog is the example. Some type of animal, dogs. And polyestrous means in this animal seasonal. So many times estrous cycle will be occurs. That means this phase, it will becomes so many times. So many times this cycle will be starts in their body. But human being body every month. But not in every month, particularly some season. Particularly so many times, not particular season. So many times this estrous cycle will be occurs. This is polyestrous. Examples are what? Examples are rats. So that rats are giving birth to so many offsprings, and rats and guinea pigs. Guinea pigs also gives so many offsprings. These are the major difference of what? Estrous cycle and menstrual cycle. Estrous cycle occurs in non-primate. That means in non-primate brain is not well developed. In primates it is well developed. It occurs in monthly, it occurs in seasonal wise, maybe yearly once or 2 years once, or yearly so many times also. Polyestrous. Okay, these are the major difference of these phase. We can call estrous phase, reproductive phase, heat phase also. In this phase, what will be happen? Progesterone hormone will be releasing. Ovulation will be occurs only in this phase only. After ovulation, what will be happen? This endometrium ruptures and reabsorb into the body in estrous cycle. Example: cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, fox, deer, okay, pigs, rats are the examples of estrous cycle. Okay, thank you.